You should know 3 things about the Indian budget. First thing is that this year, the budget of India is Rs 50,65,000 crores. You can see this. This is the first time after independence that the annual budget of the country is more than Rs 50 lakh crores. The population of the country is currently 145 crores, and according to this year the government will spend Rs 4931 on each person, approximately Rs 35,000. Secondly, the income of the government is not as much as the expenditure of the government, which means the government is running in loss. The total income of the government, it is 34,96,000 crores rupees, and the expenditure is 50,65,000 crores rupees. So you can see the accounts. The government will spend 15,68,000 crores more than its income. And where will all this money come from? All this money will come by taking loans. Third thing is 31 March by 2025. The total debt on the Indian government will be Rs 181,74,000 crore. This is the total debt on the Indian government, which is on your screen. Rs 181 lakh crore debt. The total economy of India is 324 lakh crore rupees, and this debt is equal to 56% of our economy. On an average, every person in India has a debt of 25,000 crore rupees. However, this situation is much better than other countries. So, the complete figures are as follows. Today, you should be aware that the Indian government has a debt. In that sense, if we divide that debt equally, then you too have a debt. But what is the situation in other countries? Just look at the situation in America. The average debt per person is Rs 00 lakh. China, India has a debt of Rs 9 lakhs. In Britain, every person has a debt of Rs 22 lakhs. The special thing is that the debt of other countries on India is very nominal. But first you can see on the screen the per capita debt of other countries. How much is it approximately? How much is it in India in comparison to America? First you can have a look here. Now let us move ahead. Our internal debt is of Rs 1675 lakh crore, and foreign debt is only of Rs 62,000 crore. You can see this. The total debt is Rs 181 lakh crore. Out of the internal debt of Rs 175.7 lakh crore, we have invested Rs 175.7 lakh crore in the country itself has taken loans from different institutions. If any country puts pressure on us to repay the loan, we will not come under any pressure because our foreign debt is very low. So you have seen that our foreign debt is very nominal, and whatever debt we have, most of it is taken from our own country. Now let us tell you why 12 lakhs is being discussed in the whole country today. This government has announced in the budget that from now on, the maximum loan amount will be 12 lakh rupees. No income tax will be levied on annual income. This exemption was earlier applicable on annual income up to Rs 1 lakh. That is, today this exemption has been increased from 7 lakh to 12 lakh. We had told you a day ago that the government is going to give this exemption in the budget. Some such announcement can be made for the middle class. And today the same has happened. Therefore, today is actually the day of the middle class and the people of the middle class. Because they will be very happy today, as in the previous governments, this was not the case. Very few people used to get exemptions. Now see how it increased in the year 2005 during the UP government. There was no tax on annual income up to Rs 1 lakh. Then in the year 2012, this exemption was increased from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. In the year 2014, the Modi government increased it from 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh, and in 2019, it increased it from 1.5 lakh to 5 lakh. In 2023, it was made Rs lakh, and now in 2025, it has been increased from 7 lakh to 12 lakh. So the exemption, which used to be of Rs lakh in 2005, which was available on Rs lakh in 2012, has now increased from 2 lakh to 12 lakh. If you compare 2012 to 2025, if you look at this graph, you will know that the current government has given the maximum relief from income tax to the middle class, and this time the government has surprised everyone. Now, in our country, people's monthly income will be up to Rs 1 lakh. They will not have to pay any income tax to the government. You should also take care of yourself if your income. If you earn Rs 1 lakh per month, then you do not have to pay any income tax. In India of 145 crore people, only 2.81 lakh people pay income tax to the government. This is only 1.9% of the total population of the whole country. So you should also know this. Look, in our entire country, only 1.9 crore people pay income tax. Out of these, the number of such taxpayers can be up to 1 crore whose annual income is between Rs 7 lakh to Rs 12 lakh, i.e., the exemption given today is of Rs 12 lakh. How many people will be affected by it at the border? Nearly 1 crore people. This means that out of the 2.81 lakh people who used to pay income tax to the government till now, 1 crore people will be out of the tax net from today, and from now on, the number of taxpayers in the country will decrease from 2 crore to 1 crore 81 lakh, which will be only 1.2% of the total population. If there is some increase in this, then it can be in the segment of new people who will come above 12 lakh. Is the new, there will definitely be taxpayers. Now, with today's decision, the income tax collection will also be reduced directly by about Rs 1 lakh crore, and this figure has been given by the government itself. According to the government, it earned Rs 105 lakh crore from income tax last year. This was only due to the income tax, out of which 1.9 crore people pay income tax. Their income tax is around 10 lakh crores. But after today's decision, the income tax collection will be reduced by 1 lakh crore rupees, which means now it will remain around 9 lakh